Now, Latin track. Move your hip and your arm to side. Relax. Very good. The other side. Body roll. One more time. Repeat same hip. Switch. Body roll. Very easy. March cha-cha. Very good. March in place. 4, 3, 2. March cha-cha. March, march, cha-cha-cha. March, march, cha-cha-cha. Very easy. Once again, watch now. March, march, cha-cha. March 2. 1, 2, 3 hips. And stop. Again. March, cha-cha. March 2. 1, 2, 3 hips. Stop. Go to the lateral. Come back. March 2. At the arm, hand. Again. Very easy. March 2. 1, 2, hip with hand. Watch now. Are you ready to turn? Turn. And watch now. We have to add a hip again. Woo! Turn. 3. Circle. Very good. Turn. One more time. Remember to move your hip and your head to the same way. Shoulder 6. And stop. Yes. Shoulder 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again, shoulder. Double hip. Yes. Again, shoulder, down and up. Are you ready from the top? Go! Turn. Go down. And double. Very easy. Walk to the lateral, come on. And turn. 3 hips. Circular hip, shoulder. From the shoulders, go down. Mambo, stop, and hip. Again, shoulder. Double, mambo, stop, hip. Watch now. Arms, circular hand. Touch your body and like beginning. Woo! Shoulder. Double. Circle. From the top. Woo! Diagonal. Come on. Come with me. Turn. And come back with the shoulders. Double. Circle. Come on. Come forward. Walk to diagonal. Turn. Ay, ay, ay. Come back. Last part, circle, body roll. And last time, come on. You got it now. Enjoy. 3. Go back. Double. Mambo, body roll, hip and final pose.